Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, just wanted to share some stuff this evening, kind of some updates on some stuff. I've not been able to get anything done in the last little bit, but just a few projects I've got going on. One, I was going to show the the last haul video I did, the last auction I bought. One of the things I was really looking for, let me turn this right here, was this guy. And just to say I was excited was an understatement. I found the entire Delta Megazord complete. This thing was immaculate. So that's one I've actually never owned. I was super excited for it. And like I said, I had a few parts laying around. I think I've got a gun here and another leg somewhere. But one of the projects I've got going on right here, actually got another one that I'm working on building, put up for sale here in the next little bit. I've actually got it. I'm going to be working on doing some stuff. Let's see, get it stand up. The labels for the Turbo Morpher, finally got them ordered. I took advantage of a discount from BD15. Got those, and also got some labels for Red Battlezord. I'm going to be doing a video on it here in the next little bit. As you can see, I got lots of projects, all kinds of stuff I've got going on that I'm working on. I've got everything down in my basement's basically my workshop. I got this really cool. This came in the other day. I'm going to work on next. Got one of the 1989 Batmobiles. I'm going to clean this thing up and give it a good polish. I'm still debating on whether I'm going to keep it or turn around and sell it. I got a good deal. The only thing was, had a busted windshield on it. Other than that, and let's see, rockets are missing. Other than that, it's in pretty good shape. Was excited about that. I got some other stuff. Let me switch around here. Let's see. Some lightning figures I picked up. Shadow Ranger the other day. Complete. I'd like to do one on him. I've got this. Actually, moving around a whole lot. Actually, let's see. Trying to remember what it was, what I ordered on that one. But yeah, I've got a bunch of stuff over here. I've got stuff everywhere. I've got a bunch of the Jumbo Megazords. I've got these transports. And these are mostly a lot of my completed stuff. A lot of it's for sale. A few of them are from my own collection. Picked up a new Super Zeo Megazord the other day. Let's see, actually, where's the other one? Got another really nice Zeo Megazord that I got out of that last haul. Got a Stratoforce back there. A couple of Overdrive Megazords. Artellitron. I'm really hoping to get some decals from BD15 and redo not only one of these, but my own as well. Let's see, we've got Pyramidas. Got the Super Train hiding back there. And if anybody's looking for Shoguns, I think right now I have 1, 2, 3. I've got 5 in stock. No helmets, no swords, but I've got a lot of really nice ones. Good shape. Got the Wild Force, the Kongazord. I picked this guy up the other day. Got one of the smaller Torzords. Came complete. Said it did. I'm not sure what I did with the figure inside. I think I laid it out somewhere. But yeah, I've got several Tiger Zords. I think I've got 5 or 6. A couple extra Ninja Zords. So if anybody's looking for anything, let me know. I'll be glad to try and help you out. Try and move some stuff. That way I can buy some new stuff. Got a couple of Thunder Zords still in the box. I think one of them's 100% complete. The other one's just about. This one, I haven't purchased any of the Dino Fury stuff. Really, most of what I've got here is probably the newest that I've got. But I actually picked this one up for my son the other day. Got it second hand. I'll try and do a unboxing video on it. It's really cool. I checked it out, made sure everything was complete, nothing broken. I'm not a big fan of the newer Zords, but I thought it, for the price, I thought it was great. Let's see this box here. I'm still wondering what was in it. Let's see what I ordered. But I've got all kinds of stuff in this garage, parts for trucks, construction stuff. So I'll tell them what you might find on here. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Just wondering what I had ordered. We actually have head for the extra Delta Megazord that I've got. But I've also, like I said, I've got a bunch of the RC Megazords. I've got a ton of bikes. If anybody's interested, looking for some bikes, got it. I've got a lot of parts, just spare stuff. Got a extra Tor for parts. Titanus. This one, if I'm not mistaken, the electronics are wonky on it. Sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. A lot of other stuff, the old Megazord parts. This one, let me find it. Oh, right here. Solar Street Megazord. Anybody has one of these connector pieces for the shoulder? I'm looking for one of these to complete mine. But yeah, I got lots of stuff. So if you're looking for anything in particular, just let me know. I've got stuff crammed everywhere. I've got tons of totes, as you can see. Totes over here, totes over there. But yeah. Oh, let's see here. What else? Oh yeah. Let me pause this a second. I've also got a lot of box stuff here. I know the Megaforce Megazords are mine, but I've got a couple of the triangle boxes. Some of the boxes are pretty rough. Some of them are really nice. Got a bunch of the villains, the original Mighty Morphin stuff. So if there's any of those you're looking for, let me know. Like I said, I'm gonna have some more videos here when hopefully my work slows down. I can do some stuff, some repairs, sticker videos, some unboxing stuff. But just wanted to share what I had in inventory in case anybody's looking for anything. But until next time, thanks guys.